Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Tuesday, May 21st, 2024. Jeremy Crosby here. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuning in with us for your TF headlines as we work on this Tuesday. We start with road construction projects. They continue across the city of Fitchburg, but only resurfacing projects. There will be some crack filling later on this year, but the road resurfacing project began early this month and will continue through the summer. List of roads listed here, and if they are in your neighborhood, you should have received a letter in the mail regarding that the work will be happening here. When roads will always remain open to local traffic, except approximately 2 hours after the final surface of asphalt is laid. Resurfacing projects are weather dependent, and the city will send out another letter here coming up in June to update project and schedule for timelines. Should there be any questions, comments, or concerns, or need special accommodations, you can check in with Zach, our Public Works Department. His contact information is on the screen, and if there's any other major closures to tell you about, we'll pass those along here as they come up. Memorial Day observance. I want to remind you again that this is coming up on Memorial Day. The city of Fitchburg hosts a event each year on Memorial Day. The annual Memorial Day observance will take place on Monday, May 27th at 12:30 p.m. at Gorman Wayside Veterans Memorial Park, 2377 South Fish Hatchery Road. This year's keynote speaker is Jonathan Parker, Sergeant and K-9 Handler for the Fitchburg Police Department. Sergeant Parker was formerly an established infantry in the 101st Airborne Division, or 502 Infantry Regiment, and served in Operation Iraqi Freedom from 2007 to 2009. He's chosen his topic for the keynote to be the people behind the heroes. Brooklyn and Oregon American Legion Post 160 and the Oregon Brooklyn VF Post 10272 will provide the military ceremony following the Sergeant Parker's keynote address. Those who are attending are asked to bring their own chairs. This event will be available for live stream, so if you can't make it down to the park on Monday, we'll be broadcasting it live here on Fact TV on our community channel F2. In the event of inclement weather, there is a 50% chance right now of showers and storms that day. This event would be moved to Fitchburg Fire Station number 1, 5791 Lacey Road. That announcement will come Friday afternoon, May 24th, via the city website, social media, and of course here on Fact TV. For Memorial Day, our city services will be closed up here in observance of Memorial Day. City Hall, Community Center, Senior Center, and Library will all be closed on Monday, May 27th. We'll reopen back at our normal business hours on Tuesday, May 28th. Race for a Grace comes to Madison again, June 2nd. Want to remind you here, our friends at A Grace have a big event coming up. It's their biggest fundraiser here, and it happens on Sunday, June 2nd. This family-friendly event includes a 5K run walk, 1 mile walk, and strollers are welcome on the course. Individuals and teams can race 9 a.m. from A Grace Madison campus that's here in Fitchburg, 5395 East Shore Parkway, or individually on any course of their choosing. All who participate in the in person at A Grace will receive a Race for a Grace water bottle. Bibs will be provided to those who sign up in person for the 5K run walk, and the cost to attend that is $15 per person. All participants are encouraged to raise money on behalf of themselves or their team. Raising $100 earns you a racer t-shirt. So if you're interested, and if you're not familiar with it, it was founded in 1978. A Grace is a nonprofit, community-supported healthcare organization dedicated to provide high-quality care and support to people who are aging, ill, dying, or grieving, with offices in Madison, Dodgeville, Janesville, Baraboo, and Oconomowoc. A Grace serves 1,800 patients and clients across southern Wisconsin every single day. And we're happy to have them right here in our backyard here in the city of Fitchburg. Turning our attention to Click It or Ticket, that campaign began yesterday, continues through the first week in June. Wisconsin DOT and the Wisconsin State Patrol bump up seatbelt education and enforcement efforts to keep our travelers safe. Law enforcement agencies across the state of Wisconsin, including Wisconsin State Patrol, are stepping up patrols on the annual Click It or Ticket seatbelt enforcement campaign. Campaign coincides with Memorial Day weekend, which is the first long holiday weekend in the summer. Roads are especially busy during this time of season, so officers are out there on the patrol to save lives. So click it or ticket as you head out this holiday weekend, or every day. Have a great day.